Welcome back to Arabic is on channel. If you want to read Arabic, speak Arabic, pronounce Arabic, write Arabic, learn Arabic, this is the channel for you. Please share this channel to anyone who wants to learn Arabic. And let's get into the video. Today's letter is going to be the. This letter comes after the letter ta. It's ta and then la. La is different from ta with only a dot on top of it. This is how we write it in the beginning, middle, and end. We put connecting lines to connect it to connectable letters. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to the previous videos to know what I'm talking about. So this is how we read it. Fatha, dhamma, kasra, short vowels. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to previous videos. These are short vowels and they're called fatha, dhamma, kasra. Okay, and then using the long vowels, which we've studied also, please refer to the previous videos. Watch them over and over again to know what I'm talking about. Mad bil alif, mad bil waw, mad bil wiya, which are long vowels that will help you stretch the letter when you connect it to it. And these vowels, these long vowels, also work as regular, ordinary letters. They can be a letter and they can be a vowel. Okay, here's an example. Ha, dha, ra, and then we put fatha, sukun, and dhamma. It is read as hadru, hadru, and it means quarantine, or something is not allowed. Hadru, quarantine, just like the case in these days in some countries from coronavirus. Okay, so now we've come to the end of the video and let's learn some new numbers in Arabic. Okay, so 51 51 52 52 53 53 54 54 55 55 56 56 57 57 58 58 59 59 and 60 is 60, and this is how you write it, the ones that are in red, obviously. Alright, we've reached the end of the video. Again, if you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, speak Arabic, pronounce Arabic, or if you've learned anything at all from this video, please share this video to anyone who wants to learn Arabic. That's all you gotta do. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. If you're interested in learning Arabic for either Quran reading, for your career, or personal reasons.